0 for 6, but just you got to keep firing those attempts. They're going to go in.
Milwaukee's 1 for 5 from downtown. Butler uses the bank, and finally the Timberwolves are able to make a deposit. Middleton trying to get the oop and broken up by Karl-Anthony Towns. Josh Okogie, the rookie, coast to coast, getting Jim Pete out of his seat.
I've never sat this close or really gotten up close to them like this, but the closer you get, the bigger they get, and it's pretty impressive.
Just got one from Jarrell Davis on Twitter. How about Obi-Wan Okogie?
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Obi-Wan Okogie. Obi-Wan Okogie.
15 of 35 from downtown tonight. They made 25 threes at their new arena.
The first 5 games of the season, I thought, I'm not too worried about Towns, but he's struggling again early on in this game in the first half, Tom. And he seems a little off kilter. I'm finally starting to see it now. It was good to see him score a little bit and relax in the second half, but the game had basically at that point turned into just a pickup game, and it was just just kind of not a whole lot of structure, just kind of playing and shooting open shots. And